Hello friends, this is Sandeep Chhabra. In this video, we will be discussing about quality circle. Quality circle, an important pillar of total quality management. What is a quality circle? Basically, it's a group of employees who volunteer to meet regularly. For what purpose? To undertake work related projects like quality, productivity, efficiency, safety, cost, working condition, etc. Just to gather their recommendation to improve effectiveness in selected functional areas. We will be discussing in detail. One question arises, what would be the size of the quality circle? If the quality circle is too big, the participation of everybody would not be possible. If the size of the circle is too small, so some person may dominate. What point to be kept in mind for quality circle? The first major thing, every job is capable of being improved. There is a scope of improvement in each and every task, in each and every aspect. The people do not resist change, they resist being externally changed. They do not allow imposement. They can change from their inner side. Every employee, mind it, every employee of the organization is capable of attaining excellence. He or she can improve basic ability of the job. People like to improve their job. They get satisfaction. But if there is a human touch, if their work is recognized, if they are rewarded for their improvement, some people may participate in the group because they like attention, they like recognition. People are creative in nature. They can suggest you not being very educated, but they are experienced, so they can suggest in better way. What are the benefits of the quality circle in an organization? First, discussing about the benefit of the organization. It improves the relationship between employer and employee, because each and every employee is satisfied. He or she feels that they are part of the organization, so they give them sense of belongingness. It develops participative culture. It develops team spirit. It reduces the error related to their work and ultimately reduction in the cost. It increases the productivity of the organization. Lesser wastage, more productivity. It improves the quality of the product being manufactured by the company or the service being rendered by the organization. Ultimately, it leads towards the better efficiency of each and every one, each and every section, each and every organization. It works as catalyze. It catalyzes. It catalyzes the attitudinal change among each and every individual, whether he is employee or employer. It also saves the amount of time. What are the benefits to the employee? Yes, we are discussing about the benefits. It provides job interest, participation, recognition, reward, gives them job interest. It gives sense of participation and involvement. Everybody has latent capability of problem solving. So this develops their capability to solve the problem. It also improves communication capability. It advances personal development as well as career development of individual employee. Due to QC, workers are involved in decision making because they know better than the engineer, better than the manager, where the scope of improvement. Ultimately, it removes the frustration among them because they are being listened by the authority, their points are being taken, their points are being resolved, the environment is being improved, the quality is being improved. It encourages everyone. What are the steps of quality circle? The first one is formation of quality circle. Choosing right person from the community and form the circle. Not very big, not very small. Then training of each and every individual member of the QC. What is to be done? How is to be done? What are the benefits? What are the drawbacks? Everything to be detailed to them. Next comes problem identification and problem selection. Everybody is allowed to record or convey the problem related to process, material, maintenance, inventory, everything. Then that problem is analyzed. Responsibilities are given to the persons. They use resources and analyze the problem. Then the recommendations are made how to solve the problem. Then the superior one is allowed to present those points to the management. If management allows, the decision is taken by the management to do in the similar way, in a better way, in other way. And after recommendation from the management, after confirmation from the management, those points are implemented. Then again, the policies are made or plan are made with better solutions. And then comes the monitoring of the effect being produced by the changes. Now comes limitations of QC. What are the limitations? Since QC involves down level workers which are not very educated, so the problem must be simple in nature. The analysis must be easy to understand. Actually, labor unions are there in the industry or in organization. They are not very enthusiastic about the QC. So, and for this attitude of the union, the management is also not very open towards unions. So, a bigger task, a limitation of QC to understand the labor problem, to resolve those problems, to involve them, to get them. Another limitation, superior and lower level managers. In initial, they exhibit greater interest, but sooner they develop indifferences. They presume that their points are not being taken properly. They are not given due attention and level of satisfaction among the employee. Thank you.